Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. Today we're going to be making
our total protein chili, which is delicious.
It's gorgeous, it's sumptuous, it's filling, and it's perfect for winter.
It's packed full of fantastic protein in the form of beans and firm tofu.
This forms part of our Veganuary meal plan, where we're giving away delicious recipes, meal plans, and a shopping list completely free of charge.
You definitely don't want to miss out on any of those videos, so be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything.
And if you like this recipe, hit that like button and let us know what you thought in the comments.
We love one pot food, and this pot has loads of vegetables, just bursting with fantastic vegetables.
The key thing about this is to hit that chili with loads of spice so that the tofu and the beans are going to soak up that amazing chili flavour. And the flavour of this will get better the longer you cook it. So if you've got time, leave it to simmer for about 10 or 20 minutes.
We decided to serve this with sweet potato, but of course, you could definitely serve it with brown rice, white rice, or chips if you're feeling naughty.
If you're feeling naughty and you want a chippy tea, go for it. But we're not going to, because it's Veganuary, we're on a health kick, and we want to show you how to eat the rainbow.
And kale is king, and this is why we're serving it with kale.
Look at that chili, it's steaming hot. It looks beautiful next to that sweet potato and kale. And oh my God, let's see how this tastes.
Oh, the flavours are so rich and so deep and so well developed. It's absolutely delicious and obviously extremely healthy.
It's also gorgeous, and you know what? I bet it'll taste even better tomorrow. Those flavours will continue to infuse, so for our Veganuary meal plan, we're actually making double, so we can eat some for lunch on another day.
You're gonna love it. But in the meantime, bish,
Bash,
bosh!